Hey everybody, it is Jenn and Kanata, and today I'm going to do a recipe of cranberry brie pull apart bread. OMG, this is amazing. I'm making it for my coffee break ladies today, so we're going to have this as our coffee break snack with pumpkin muffins with cream cheese filler slash topping, and we're having that today. Very carb heavy. So basically, the ingredients is really simple. So this is a great way to use, like, if you bought too much cranberry sauce, or you found cranberry sauce in your cupboard, or you have cranberries and you want to make some cranberry sauce, you can do it like that. So basically, you have some fresh bread, a round loaf or French bread or an Italian loaf, and you cut it into with squares. I'll show you, and then you have some brie, and you have some cranberry sauce, and you have butter, thyme, and rosemary, and you just cover it up, and then you bake it in the oven for 350 degrees for about 20-25 minutes, and it pulls apart. So good. So I'm making one for supper tonight, with the fried green tomatoes and stuff, and one's for coffee break. Come and see what we're going to do. So here's my loaf. I did it so it could fit into this container so I could take it with me, but I had to cut, see, I cut the knife marks this way, but I had to cut off an end here, so I have this little bit, this didn't quite fit. I have this little bit of bread here, so I cut it one way, and then I cut it the other way, and I'm going to go put some melted butter mixed with thyme and rosemary in between each of these squares. So here's the butter. I'm taking some rosemary, just a bit, maybe half a teaspoon, and some thyme. As well, and some butter. I'm not measuring because I just don't measure. And I'm just going to microwave that to make it liquid. And that was after 20 seconds in the microwave. So it's all liquid. I'm just stirring that, and then I'm going to put this in between all the little bits of the bread. Sprinkle and then fall in between. You want to go in versus around the bread. There you go. Since I made this bread, I could have probably put the rosemary and thyme in the bread to have it more centrally infused, but I put it all in all these little crevices. Make sure some the seeds go quite down. It's quite yummy, the butter. So now I'm going to open this can of cranberry sauce and pour that in the crevices. So here's the cranberry sauce, and I'm going to put it in between all the different crevices. You can see it's in between all of the little crevices. And now I'm going to cut up this brie. I'll probably only use about half of it since it's a huge brie, 600 grams, and put it in all the little crevices as well. There, I cut up I cut half the brie into little pieces. I'm going to stuff that in the bread. There we have it. So you take it and you just put it into the little crevices. I did almost every crevice. with the butter and the cranberry sauce, it makes the bread quite soft and mushy, but this will taste really good once it's baked. So, and I'm just going to take these, almost used up half. So definitely use one of those small bries, or half of a big one, but just don't cut too much because you don't want to have little cubes. I'm just gonna put these around, and then when I go to coffee break, I'm going to bake this 350 for 25 minutes. Here it is coming out of the oven. Everything is nice and melted and it smells divine. I tasted a bit of it and it's really good. Other people mentioned that it tasted a little bit kind of like stuffing, but it was really good. Thumbs up. We'll try it again. Here, Rowan made some Starbucks pumpkin cream cheese muffins. So they are like copycat muffins. So there's a cream. This was supposed to kind of sink down, but the batter was quite thick, so it didn't quite sink down. So it's on the top. But even the ones from Starbucks, it stays on the top. So don't they look wonderful? So we're having that, packaging some away for lunches or breakfast, and some for a coffee break tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and please share with all your friends. Bye now.